Let's solve this together. We have 3 to the power of x plus 9 to the power of x plus 27 to the power of x and is equal to 14. So let's begin. This is 3 to the power of x plus our 9 is the same as 3 to the power of 2 further raised to the power of x plus we have 27 as 3 to the power of 3 further raised to the power of x and is equal to 14. From here, let's recall that when I have a to the power of m or to the power of n, this is the same as a to the power of n further raised to the power of m. So we have 3 to the power of x plus we can interchange the powers to have 3 to the power of x further raised to the power of 2 plus we have 3 to the power of x further raised to the power of 3 and is equal to 14. So we have a common factor here, which is 3x, 3 to the power of x. So let our 3 to the power of x be equal to u. So we have u plus u to the power of 2 plus u to the power of 3 and is equal to 14. So we have a cubic equation here. When we rearrange it, we have u to the power of 3 plus u to the power of 2 plus u minus our 14 crossing over becomes negative and is equal to 0. So we want to resolve this equation. Our u cube, we have u to the power of 3. Our u squared is the same as minus 2u to the power of 2 plus 3u squared. So when we add these up, minus 2 plus 3, we'll get positive 1. We have minus 6u plus 7u. Minus 6 plus 7 will get positive u. And we have minus 14 and it's equal to 0. From here, we'll be factoring out 2 by 2. So we have this and this. We have this and we have this. When we factor out u squared from here, we are left with u minus 2. And when we factor out 3u from here, we have u minus 2. We factor out 7 from here, we have u minus 2 and it's equal to 0. So we have a common factor here. So we'll factor it out, u minus 2. We are left with u squared plus 3u plus 7 and this is equal to 0. This simply means that our u minus 2 is equal to 0 and our u squared plus 3u plus 7 is equal to 0. So solving this linear equation, we have that u is equal to 2. So this is our first value for u. So let's solve the second part of the equation. Let our a be equal to 1, our b be equal to 3, and our c be equal to 7. We have that u is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c, or over 2 times a. So our u is equal to minus our b is 3 plus or minus, we have 3 to the power of 2 minus 4 times 1 times 7, or we have 2 times 1. So our u is equal to minus 3 plus or minus 3 to the power of 2. We have 9 minus 28 all over 2. So our u is equal to minus 3 plus or minus 9 minus 28. We have negative 19 all over 2. So u is equal to, we have minus 3 plus or minus root 19 times root minus 1 all over 2. So we have u to be equal to minus 3 plus or minus root 19i. So the square root of minus 1 is I all over 2. So we have two values of u here, and since it's a complex number, so we'll go ahead with our u, which is equal to 2. Let's recall that 3 to the power of x is equal to u. So we have 3 to the power of x is equal to 2. So we have 3 to the power of x to be equal to 2. So let's take log of both sides. We have log of 3 to the power of x to be equal to log of 2. So from here, when we have log of a to the power of b, this is the same as b times log of a. So our x moving over, we have x times log of 3 is equal to log of 2. So let's divide both sides by log of 3. We have that x is equal to log of 2 all over log of 3. But when we have log of a over log of b, this is equal to log to base b of a. So our x is equal to log to base 3 of 2, and x is equal to 0.63093. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our solutions.